Greetings, everyone. It's a pleasure to be here with you today. I'm Jen-Cheng Wang, a master's student from National Changhua University of Education in Taiwan, and my major is Human Resource Management. Today, I'm going to present the article subject, the relationship between e-learning mods and job performance. Training satisfaction as a mediator. This survey was used to evaluate effectiveness of an e-learning program provided by a professional training firm for HR professionals in Taiwan. The training program included 1-month online synchronous lectures and asynchronous learning with recorded videos and homework. This survey examined the effect of distance training on job performance through training learning satisfaction. This is my research framework, including 2 types of e-learning mods, training satisfaction and job performance. Training satisfaction as a mediator. Research hypothesis. Hypothesis 1. There is an interactive effect of attitudes toward synchronous learning mode and asynchronous learning mode on training satisfaction. Hypothesis 2. Training satisfaction is positively related to job performance. Hypothesis 3. Training satisfaction mediates the interactive effect of attitudes towards synchronous learning mode and asynchronous training mode on job performance. Next, method. The research data were collected from 8 participants who had completed a 1-month online training program on human resource information system provided by a consulting firm. Trainees were asked to provide data on attitude toward e-learning mods and training satisfaction. In addition, trainees' supervisors provide data on their job performance. For the method measures, we use 5-point Likert scale. From article of Root 2005, there are 6 dimensions between synchronous tutorials and asynchronous video cassettes. First, location of tutorial. Second, time of tutorial. Third, accessibility of materials. Fourth, interaction tutor during the tutorial. Fifth, interaction with other students during the tutorial. Sixth, cost of technology. The questionnaire item examples like I can freely choose the time that taking online courses. I can communicate with tutor during the class. Questionnaires items of training satisfaction, including this program provided the training content that I need for my job. This program was helpful to conduct certain tasks I'm doing right now. I was satisfied with the following content areas. Questionnaires items of job performance, including self-evaluation questionnaires. I take the opportunities I have to practice the new skills. I make fewer mistakes at work. I can do my work faster. Patriotic evaluation. The employees takes the opportunity she or he has to practice the new skills. The employees make fewer mistakes at work. The employees can do her or his work faster. Here are the results of our research. 4 years average of work experience. Average age are 27 years old. The average point of synchronous times asynchronous is 19.66. Training satisfaction is 4.86. 4.65, and job performance is 4.17. And the red ones are the trainees that supervisors provide data on their job performance. As you can see in the job performance comparison, hetero evaluation are higher than self-evaluation, give us a credibility of the points. The results show that training satisfaction was determined jointly by their attitudes toward synchronous learning mode and asynchronous learning mode. In addition, learning satisfaction led to the job performance. More specifically, the interaction effect of attitude toward synchronous learning mode and asynchronous learning mode on job performance was partly mediated by training satisfaction. Last, managerial implications. This study suggests that training's attitude toward synchronous learning mode and asynchronous learning mode are crucial to training effectiveness. In other words, training satisfaction as well as job performance. Therefore, it's necessary for decision makers to carefully evaluate each trainee's perceptions of time management, ease the access to learning materials, and quality of virtual interactions with lecturers and classmates before delivering e-learning programs. And these are my references. And that's all of my presentation. Thanks for listening.